I don't know. Why do you like Kevin so much? When you see him on the screen, what do you do?
Scream? Masturbate?
No, why?
Something I don't want to say on camera. Things I can't say on camera due to legal crisis.
What?
I don't know. Let's watch it. Oh, still on.
Hey, Lena. So who's your favorite Joe Bros?
Nick.
Why?
What do you do when he comes on the screen?
A lot.
Why?
Because he's cute.
Why?
Just feels all wrong.
Ew, you sicko.
End it, damn it.
Hey, Jesus, what do you do in heaven?
Look down people's shirts.
Oh! Hey, Satan, what do you do in hell?
I look at people's skirts!
Hey, Jesus, what do you do in heaven? I look down people's shirts. It smells like weed.
Sorry, I just farted.
Hey, Tamara, give me a really cute face. Elena, give me a really cute face.
Girl named Lucky.